वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। ले जी आज तीसरा रोज़ है इज्तिमा का अंसार वाला का, और ये देखें उस साइड पे लजना का क्योंकि पार्किंग है, सारी दोस्त जो उधर उतार के आ रहे हैं। और इस साइड पे ये देखें हमारे जो दोस्त हैं افریقن السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ. So we are staying now here in front of main ijtema, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 African brothers. We will ask them and get some introduction from which country they came from and what have they absorbed yesterday and today what have you planned. We start from the right side. First Kalun Sahab hai, lekin ji, will you like to tell me in which country you come from?
I came from Gambia.
Gambia? Yeah. How long in Germany?
Germany almost 5 to 6 years.
36?
No, 5 to 6 years.
5 to 6 years. And you were Ahmadi by born or you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm born.
Also your parents were Ahmadi?
No, my parents are converted Ahmadis.
Are converted Ahmadi.
My father is almost 50 years ago.
Oh, very nice. And you are with family here or alone?
Yeah, here I'm alone.
Alone?
Yeah.
Okay. So I wish you all the best for the ijtema and welcome to the ijtema. So now we take the next one. Your name please?
My name is Banna.
Banna?
Yeah,
And which country?
Gambia.
Gambia also?
Yeah.
And you were Ahmadi by born?
No,
You converted?
converted.
And how long you are Ahmadi now?
How long we are?
How long you have been Ahmadi now?
Yeah, almost 30 years now.
30 years?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So you have been coming regularly in Ijtema and Jalsa here in Germany?
Yeah.
Anything to tell the brothers who does not come in Ijtema just because they are lazy or something? Will you like to say some words?
Yeah, for me, I ask why they don't come.
Why they don't come?
Why they don't come?
Yes.
It's a big question because for me, when I don't come, I never feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many kilometers away from
Hamburg to here?
From Hamburg you have
Yeah,
come?
from
Okay.
Hamburg.
Okay.
So I don't know. This is the professor for this.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now we take the next one. You can tell your name and some introduction.
Assalamualaikum. I am Ayub Kofi Ajay from Ghana,
From Ghana?
and I'm staying here with my family,
Yes.
my father and my wife and children.
Come a bit further because the chair. No, it's better.
We are from Hamburg,
Yes.
and we are here since last Friday,
Oh, very nice.
and we are really enjoying the ijtema.
Very nice.
Especially I'm in the sports
Okay.
side.
Yes.
So I'm taking all the football. I play football with
Oh.
my football team,
Very nice.
and I'm really enjoying it. And it is fortunate for the brothers who are not able to
Yeah.
come
Okay.
and witness this 100 years anniversary for Majlis Ansar Deutschland.
Very nice.
So I wish, inshallah, next time they will try their best to come and have this blessed
Yes.
ijtema.
Thank you very much. Now we take the next friend. So now,
Alaji Yaya Ajay,
yes,
also from Ghana.
from Ghana. Okay.
Yes, I've been in Hamburg. I'm staying in Hamburg now.
Yes.
And today we have come to witness this 42nd anniversary of Ansar. We have observed very, very good atmosphere.
Yeah.
We have seen some people come around all over Germany. Sometimes somebody from outside also.
Very
And the
nice.
atmosphere is fun. There are people who didn't come. They have missed a lot because so many blessings have been received. We have got blessings from Allah. We hope the next time people will come and see how it is.
Very nice.
We have enjoyed the atmosphere very much.
Very thank you. Now we take the last one. Just tell your name, from which you come from, how long in Germany, how long Ahmadi.
Why you ask this question?
Because it is very interesting for the people
Yes,
who are not
okay.
from your country, Pakistan. They will like to know.
Assalamu alaikum wa
Walaikum
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Wahab Ibrahim,
Yes.
and I'm living in Germany 33 years,
Yes.
and born as Ahmadi.
Yes. Very nice.
So I am always attend ijtema,
Yes.
and alhamdulillah now we have 100 years Giblion in Germany, and it's very, very interesting to attend
Yes.
this ijtema, and there is a lot of programs for all nation who attend this ijtema.
Very
And
nice.
even now we are going to start European, how do you call it, European
Program.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
Very
it's
nice.
very nice program to come here. So those brothers who didn't come
Yes.
next year, I hope they should try to come.
And he set us up for castle.
Oh,
They set
very
us up
nice.
for
Very
castle.
nice to know
The
about
first
that.
black set us up, African set us up in castles.
Very nice to
Remember
know.
him in prayers, inshallah.
थैंक यू वेरी मच नाउ हम वो पुरानी यादें ताज़ा करते हैं जो हमारे इन भाइयों के साथ यादें हैं और जो वो आप देखो who will sing that and we will sing after you together.
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
नारा तकबीर.
Allahu Akbar.
ले जी माशाल्लाह अभी आपने देखा हमारे अफ्रीकन भाइयों के साथ हमने तीसरे दिन का जो आगाज़ है ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह नारा तकबीर के साथ शुरू किया और अभी आज तीसरे दिन की जो भी हिस्से हैं वो हम आपको इंशाल्लाह दिखाते चले जाएंगे साथ साथ. ये हमारी मेन एंट्रेंस यहाँ से आपको आगाज़ करवाया है और हमारे ये सिक्योरिटी वाली टीम है वो यहाँ खड़ी है. देख सकते हैं आप किस तरह सिक्योरिटी अपना भुट्टो साहब अगर थोड़ा सा बता दें कि हमारी जो बुनियादी जो भी तरह होता है नॉर्मल सबसे पहले कार्ड चेक होता है बंदे का आईडी